I hate crappy audio. Does your audio suck on your Canon DSLR camera? If so, I got the fix for you. Today we're gonna go into the levels menu and we're gonna adjust that so your audio sounds great. Let's get right to it. All right, this is what the audio sounds like when you put it on auto mode. As you can see, it's not the best. It's not horrible. However, it could be a lot better. All right, so this is what the audio sounds like after we've adjusted the levels. And as you can see, it sounds so much better. So let me show you how to do it. All right, the first thing you need is a microphone to go into your microphone jack. Now you can use lav mics that go on here and work wirelessly. However, you're gonna have to sync the audio in post-production, and that's kind of a pain in the butt. So what I recommend is you just get a microphone like this. This is the Rode Video Mic. However, I just ordered the Rode Video Mic Pro Plus, and I'll put the link to that in the description below. This mic has had a lot of use, and to be honest, it's good, but it's not as good as the Rode Video Mic Pro or the Video Mic Pro Plus. Now you want to make sure that you connect the microphone cord into the little outlet that says mic. You also have your headphone jack right here. This is a Canon 80D, so I'm just gonna put it into the mic port right there so you can see the mic. All right. You could put the headphones in here and listen to the audio. However, a lot of times on location or you go different places, it's hard to do that, especially when you're vlogging and filming yourself. So I'm gonna show you a way to do it without headphones. However, using headphones is a good way to double check your audio. Okay, so you wanna make sure the microphone is always pointed towards your mouth. You could hold the microphone above you or to the side, but the most important thing is that it's pointed towards where you're speaking, okay? So obviously I'm really close to the microphone. It's not the most realistic. However, we're gonna do this for the sake of the video so you understand how to adjust your levels. All right guys, so the first thing we wanna do is turn our camera on, and then we're gonna click on the menu button. All right, and now we got our menus. All right guys, so the first thing we wanna do is turn our camera on, then we're gonna press the menu button, and we're gonna wanna go over here to sound recording. We're going to click on that, and then where it says sound record, we're going to go to manual. Okay, so now what you're going to do is go down to record level, and you're going to adjust this. All right, normally it's going to be all the way up, and as you can see, when I move it up, it's going way past that number 12. That number 12 is where we want to be. We want to be right around that, because the number 12 is where our audio is going to sound the best. Under it, it's going to be too soft, and over it, it's going to peak and it's going to blow out the audio. So we're going to go down until we're all the way at the bottom. Now you got to move the mic to the appropriate distance away from you and speak normally into the mic. As you speak into the mic, you're going to hear it go up to the point where just keep speaking into the mic as you move this point up, and keep talking and talking and talking, and speak normal how you would with the mic the right distance away from you. And as you can see, as I'm talking, I can see it's that right about here it reaches the number 12. So it should be, if you're talking, it should go right around 12. If it goes over too much, it's not good. You want to be right around 12. So I can see that when I talk like this, it goes right around 12, and this is the right point for me. Maybe a little bit over. There we go. So this is the right point, and it's peaking right at number 12, right around it. So this is where I want to leave it, and I set it, and then I'm all done. Remember, as you're adjusting those levels, you need to have the mic the right distance away from your mouth. So if you're going to speak into the camera from this distance, adjust the levels while you're speaking from this distance. All right, a good way to adjust that, especially if you have like a Canon 80D, is to move the screen out. What's great about Canon cameras is that they have a lot of models where the screen comes out, so you can adjust the levels as you're talking into the screen. So I can move back, talk normal, and I can see on the screen where the levels are moving. So right now I see it's way too high, so I'm going to adjust it. And I'm going to keep talking till it moves down to about number 12, which is right about here, and then I'm going to set it. So I know if I speak from this distance, the audio now is going to be at 12, which is right where I want it to be. Okay, to recap, put your audio around number 12 at all times, and you can say goodbye to sucky audio. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to press that subscribe button, and you can see more of my videos right over here. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Hello.